Welcome to the Sheridan Works student training tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to use the Sheridan Works internal video chat feature for appointments. The built-in video chat feature is available for appointments and events. Today we will be specifically reviewing career appointments. This video assumes that you will use the Google Chrome browser, as it is the recommended/supported browser for Sheridan Works. You can skip ahead to any of these sections. Student booking appointments, 043, pre-call test troubleshooting, 158, enter video chat, 321. To begin, for any new device you are using, we recommend starting with a pre-call test, to be sure your computer or device can connect to the video and audio. To book an appointment with a career counselor, navigate to Career Services and Job Board module. Select Appointments and select Book by appointment type. Please select an appropriate option. Available appointment dates and times will appear on the side. After selecting a date and time, you will be sent to the appointment booking summary page. You can provide additional information if needed. Please enter your local phone number. Please double-check the date and time before booking. Click on Book Appointment. We will now review how to access video calls. From your dashboard, scroll to My Video Chats. Click on View. Click on Pre-Call Test. Click on Run Test. Look for browser notifications and select to allow camera and microphone access. Scroll down and review the results and determine if you need to make any modifications to your browser settings. Look at your results summary and read the results, then close the window. In this case, the microphone is working, but the camera is not set up. Click on the camera icon on the Chrome browser to review, or go to Browser Settings. Click on Manage. Click back to go to Site Settings. Scroll down and select the camera, or microphone depending on the results. Scroll down and select the site www.talkbox.com. Select camera or microphone depending on your results, and click to allow. Go back to Test Results tab on Browser, and rerun the test. You should be able to access both camera and microphone. We will now review how to view your upcoming schedule, and join a live video chat. To view a schedule and to confirm the date on Sheridan Works, go to your dashboard and scroll down to your upcoming schedule. To enter a video chat through Sheridan Works, go to Dashboard, and scroll down to today's video chats. Click on View. The Join button will be light blue if the chat is not 10 minutes within the meeting time. When the Join button is dark blue, you can click Join. Thank you for watching Sheridan Works tutorials.